What is a function? A function is an action and a specific instruction. Let's have a mathematical example. Let's have this function f(x) is equals to x squared. Now the specific instruction of this function is to square. So if you take the input as x, the instruction for this function is to square. Now let's have the components of this function f. The name of this function is f. Mathematically, you can choose any other letter. Maybe you can choose G, H, or any other letter. So the name of this function is f. X is the parameter or the input you input in this function. And square is now the instruction or the operation. And now x squared is what you get as the result. For instance, let x be 2, where x is our input. This function has a specific instruction, and that is to square the input. So if x is equals to 2, then if you insert that input into this function becomes 4, that is 2 squared. Now let's get into Python. How do we define a function? For instance, I have this syntax for a function of calculating the area. So we have def, that is to define. We are defining. Calculate area is the name of this function. Then we have length and width, which are the parameters. Mathematically, we have said we have, for example, fx. F is the name of the function. In our case now, it's calculate the area. X or what is in the bracket, these are the parameters. So it's the same thing. Now the second thing here, we need to give instruction to this function what to do with these parameters, that is the length and the width. Now we want this function to find the area. So what this instruction do we give it? To multiply the length times the width. And that is now the second line of our syntax of writing a function in Python. So remember in Python we store data in what we call variables. So in our case we define this variable, we call it result is equals to what we get when we multiply the length and the width. So now that we have defined or we have given this function an instruction, okay? And lastly, in this section, we need to tell the function what to do after getting the result we want it to return. I'm going to explain what the term return means. We are not done yet. We need to call this function into work now. Remember, mathematically, as I was saying, I defined a function that is f(x) is equals to x squared. Then I let my x to be 2. That is the same as calling the function to work. Now in our case, we need fx. So it's the function. I input now the input of the parameters. That is, in our case, for instance, is 10, 5. And what do I do? What does this function do? It will go to print the result. That is how we use functions in Python. We define the function. Number 2, we call the function by inputting or inserting the input of the parameters. And remember, for every set of data, we store it in what we call variables. And variables, the syntax for variable is the name, the equal sign, and the set of data. So for instance, if you want to calculate the area, that is in our case was 10, the length was 10 and the width was 5, then the area is going to be 10 times 5. We need to store that area, that is 50. We need to store that data somewhere, and that's where variables comes in.